to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to find viral sounds on TikTok. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to find viral sounds on TikTok, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your TikTok. So once you go and tap open your TikTok, you can simply go in the search section. Once you're in the search section, you can type in trending songs. So once you type in trending songs, you can find different kind of videos where trending songs or like viral songs are used. So if you scroll furthermore, you can find other searched options as well, like popular songs or specific country specified trending songs or like 24 hours trending songs and stuff like this. You can also go to TikTok's creative center for data driven trends, browse for your for you page for frequently used audio, and explore playlists with sound libraries like US Hot 50 and stuff. So this is how you can simply find viral sound on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.